For years, Tesla was just the cool electric car company, sleek, fast, and futuristic. But in 2026, calling Tesla just a car company is like calling your smartphone just a phone. Tesla has quietly pivoted. They're not just in the car business anymore, they're in the AI business. The cars? They're just the delivery system for something much bigger, a global, ever-learning AI network. Every Tesla on the road is a data-gathering agent, feeding the company's AI empire. And at the center of it all is Elon Musk, a man as famous for his tweets as his tech. This shift isn't just about new gadgets, it's about who controls the future of technology, privacy, and even our daily lives. Tesla's AI ambitions could reshape everything: jobs, safety, privacy, and power. The cars are just the start. The real story is the technology under the hood, AI that could change the world. Will it be a utopia of self-driving cars and helpful robots, or a dystopia of surveillance and lost jobs? The answer probably lies somewhere in between. One thing's for sure, we're all part of this experiment, whether we like it or not. So, let's talk about what Tesla is really building, and what it means for all of us. Every Tesla is more than a car. It's a rolling surveillance device. 8 cameras watch everything: traffic, pedestrians, even your neighbor's curtains. All that footage sent straight back to Tesla HQ, fueling their AI. Tesla calls it fleet learning. Translation: they're watching always. The company says it's for safety and smarter self-driving, but it's not just anonymous data, it's your daily life recorded. Who owns this data? Not you. Tesla's privacy policy lets them use it for research and development. A phrase so broad it's basically a blank check. There have even been reports of employees sharing sensitive footage for laughs. And it's not just outside. Some Teslas have cameras inside, pointed at you. Officially, it's to monitor driver attention. But it could capture anything: your singing, your arguments, your secrets. Your car is now a rolling panopticon, blurring the line between safety and surveillance. And most of us have just accepted it. The question is, how much privacy are we willing to trade for convenience? With every mile, Tesla's AI gets smarter, and so does its ability to watch us. Are we okay with that? As if data-hungry cars weren't enough, Tesla is building actual robots. Meet Optimus. Elon Musk claims these humanoid bots will be bigger than the car business. The Vision robots doing boring, dangerous, or repetitive jobs: factory work, stocking shelves, even chores at home. For companies, it's a dream: tireless workers, no breaks, no pay raises. For workers, it's an existential threat: mass unemployment in the name of efficiency. The ultimate goal: an Optimus in every home, a robot butler for all. Imagine a world without chores, more time for creativity and family. But to get that, you're inviting a machine, controlled by Tesla, into your most private spaces. Like the cars, these robots will have cameras and sensors, always learning, always watching. Who controls what they do? Who's responsible when they mess up? Buying a Tesla robot means joining a network run by a company not known for transparency. The promise is seductive, but the risks, privacy, control, and trust, are enormous. Are we ready for a robot in every living room? Tesla loves a flashy demo: cars driving themselves, robots folding shirts, crowds cheering. But these demos are carefully staged, showing tech at its best, not in the messy real world. Remember the Optimus reveal: a person in a suit or a sped-up video, impressive, but not reality. The gap between demo and real-world performance is huge. When people see these demos, they trust the tech more than they should, sometimes with dangerous results. Hype sells cars and stock, but it also breeds mistrust when reality doesn't match the promise. With AI, trust is everything. Overselling the tech is a risky game. Don't believe everything you see on stage. Full self-driving. The name alone is a promise Tesla can't yet keep. The reality: Tesla is beta testing its most ambitious AI on public roads, with customers as guinea pigs. Drivers are told to stay alert, but when the car does most of the work, people get complacent. That's when mistakes happen, and they have. Regulators can't keep up. The tech changes constantly, making rules almost impossible to write. Traditional car makers test for years. Tesla releases updates and lets the public find the bugs. It's move fast and break things. Except now, it's 2-ton vehicles on highways. The result? A gray area where the tech is more advanced than ever, but not as capable as the name suggests. Drivers trust too much, regulators lag behind, and public safety is at risk. We're gambling that the AI will learn fast enough to avoid disaster, but when things go wrong, it's not the engineers or executives who pay the price. It's the people on the road. The stakes couldn't be higher. Are we moving too fast for our own good? And who's really in control? When a Tesla crashes, who's to blame? The driver, the company, the software? Tesla says the driver is always responsible, but the system encourages trust and distraction. When the tech fails, the blame shifts back to the human. This accountability gap is a huge problem, not just for cars, but for all AI. If an AI makes a mistake in medicine, finance, or law enforcement, who pays? Our legal systems aren't built for this. AI can make decisions, but can't be held accountable. Until we fix this, powerful systems can cause harm with no one to answer for it. That's a dangerous precedent. Tesla's AI ambitions don't exist in a vacuum. Look at the bigger picture. Tesla, Starlink, Neuralink, all Musk's companies, all connected. Teslas and robots gather data on the ground. Starlink's satellites connect everything, everywhere. Neuralink aims to link our brains directly to machines. Together, it's a blueprint for a fully integrated tech ecosystem, hardware, software, network, even the user. Imagine autonomous robots, global internet, and brain-computer interfaces, all controlled by one vision. The convenience and efficiency would be unmatched, but so would the concentration of power. One company could control the tools, the data, and maybe even our thoughts. It's a closed loop of unprecedented scale. The benefits are real, but so are the risks. Are we ready to live in a world built by one company's vision, and who gets to decide? The future Tesla promises is tempting, safer roads, fewer accidents, robots doing the hard jobs. Technology freeing us from drudgery is a dream as old as the steam engine, but every convenience comes with a price. To get safer roads, we accept constant surveillance. To get robot helpers, we let machines into our homes and workplaces. We trade privacy and autonomy for efficiency and comfort. Bit by bit, we feed the machine, our data, our choices, our lives. The benefits are immediate, the costs are slow and hard to see. It's the grand bargain of the 21st century. Are we thinking enough about what we're giving up, or are we too distracted by the shiny new toys? We're at a crossroads. One path, a future powered by Tesla's AI, efficient, automated, convenient, fewer crashes, robots doing the hard work, everything connected. The other path, constant surveillance, job loss, and a dangerous lack of accountability. The real debate isn't about whether technology is good or bad, it's about power and control. Who builds this future? Who sets the rules? Who benefits? And who gets left behind? These are human questions, not just technical ones. We can't let only engineers and CEOs decide. We need transparency, accountability, and a voice in how this future is built. The machines are coming, smarter, more powerful, more integrated than ever. Will they be our helpers or our masters? Are we ready for a world where our creations have more power over us than we do? The answer depends on what we do next. If you like this video, please subscribe.